This weekend, I'm heading to Vancouver Island to camp on Horne Lake.
So much fun, oh my goodness.
And Chris isn't coming. This trip is ladies only.
Oh, wow.
I'll be setting up a tent I haven't used in over a decade.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Trying new foods to make on the campfire.
Oh no! Oh no!
And challenging myself at Horne Lake Caves as we navigate through tunnels, over waterfalls, and down cave slides.
Gosh. Here we are at Horne Lake and it looks absolutely stunning. Thank you, though. I haven't set up a tent in a really long time, so we're gonna see how this goes. I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah. So the challenge I'm having is that this tent is so old that the strings that hold the things together, they've kind of gotten really hard and not flexible. And so now we're trying to push things through and get the tent to go up, even with the broken elastics. I'm so lucky to have friends who know what they're doing. That was a lot of work, a little bit stressful. Actually a lot stressful. I wasn't quite sure what was going to happen, but the tent is up and now time to enjoy the fire.
Good morning. That was a little cold last night. I ended up sleeping wearing 2 pairs of pants and 2 pairs of socks, including my thermal socks. But I think it's a little warmer now and the sun's out.
One thing about camping at Horne Lake is that there are caves nearby and there's these different types of tours you can do. So we're going to go check it out and see if we can get into a cave.
Is it for 3 of you guys?
4.
4 of you guys? Looks like the only thing we have is 3 o'clock.
Okay. Is that the action pack or the multi-cave?
Yeah, it's okay.
This is one of the caves we're going to be going into in a few hours. This is so exciting. I freaking love a bridge like this. So much fun, oh my goodness. The bridge is bouncing. Can you see the river behind me? So good.
We have a few hours before the Horne Lake Cave tour, so we spend some time at our camp, practice our fire making skills, and then it's go time.
Here we go. Nice. How do I look? Great. Yeah. Very professional, right? Yeah. I like it. Evening me out. Oh boy. Oh, it's tight.
Go right shoulder first.
Right shoulder first. Oh, wow. Oh, I'm glad I have the helmet. I've just hit my head like twice.
You'll notice some sparkly, glittery stuff on the ceiling. That's about the most valuable resource on Earth. Any guesses on what that resource might be? It is just water. Just watch your back.
That is a huge adrenaline rush. Okay.
Stay low until you get under that rock just above your head there, and you're good to sit up.
Oh, wow.
Awesome, you're good to go.
That was a cave slide. My heart is pounding right now.
The way we came in, you're allowed to go back out this way. But just behind me here, we got a way cooler way. This is called our cheese grater.
I'm in
later. Nice work, nice.
One cave down, one to go.
We're just gonna go through this little squeeze. Then it opens back up. You'll notice this rock is very shallow. I'm going to work my way up that here.
Yeah.
Awesome work.
Thanks, Matt.
Made it through the saddle.
Some nice fossils there, fudging. So those are crinoid fossils. They're an ancient sea creature.
Do I try the wormhole to get out? Or do I take the saddle? The saddle was tough, but the wormhole looks pretty squishy. I'm gonna try the wormhole. Oh boy. Made it through the wormhole. Oh my gosh. That was so much fun. Such an adrenaline rush. We were in the caves. I can't believe it. It was, wow. How does my hair look?
Chaotic.
We're trying a new s'more recipe that, oh no! Oh no, oh no, oh no! Oh, that was so close. I almost lost the s'more. So as I was saying, we're trying a new s'more recipe. So it involves baby bells that are cooked obviously on the fire with crackers and red pepper jam. So now that I've got my baby bell really squishy, let's see what it tastes like. Oh, that's really good. The baby bell is really good. The red pepper is a little spicy. It's a good variation on the s'more.
Our last day at camp is a bit more relaxing now that the Horne Lake Caves are behind us. I'm kind of sad that our weekend on Vancouver Island is almost over, but we have more stuff coming up all summer long, and it's going to be amazing. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of the action. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.